What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Trello and Asana. Trello and Asana are popular project management tools designed to enhance team collaboration and productivity. Trello utilizes a visual Kanban approach ideal for simple projects, while Asana offers a more comprehensive solution with advanced features for complex workflows. Choosing between them depends on your team's specific needs and project complexity. Now, let's dive into their top features. Let's start with Asana. Comprehensive project management. Asana provides a robust project management framework that enables teams to track work from inception to completion. Users can visualize tasks through various formats like lists, timelines, and Kanban boards, ensuring everyone stays aligned and on schedule. This organized approach promotes transparency and accountability, allowing teams to prioritize effectively and manage complex projects with ease. Goal alignment and reporting. Asana helps connect team activities to overarching company objectives, facilitating goal alignment across departments. With real-time reporting dashboards, teams can visualize progress and make informed decisions. This feature enhances collaboration by ensuring that everyone is aware of priorities and can adjust their efforts based on real-time data, ultimately driving better results. AI-powered efficiency. Asana incorporates AI to optimize workflows and reduce manual tasks. This technology assists users in streamlining processes by automating repetitive actions, allowing teams to focus on high-impact work. As a result, productivity increases as teams can allocate their time and resources more effectively, adapting to changing needs without getting bogged down by administrative tasks. Workflow automation. With Asana's workflow automation capabilities, users can create custom processes that minimize repetitive tasks and enhance efficiency. By setting up automated triggers for actions like task assignments or status updates, teams save valuable time and reduce the risk of errors. This feature allows for smoother operations and ensures that work progresses seamlessly without constant manual intervention. Enhanced security features. Asana prioritizes security with robust admin features designed to protect sensitive information. Administrators can manage user permissions, monitor activity logs, and enforce security protocols across the organization. This level of control ensures that teams can collaborate confidently while maintaining the integrity of their data, making Asana a reliable choice for businesses concerned about security. Now let's talk about the top features of Trello. Visual project views. Trello offers multiple project views including board, timeline, calendar, and more, allowing users to visualize tasks from different angles. This flexibility enhances project management by catering to various preferences and needs. For instance, the timeline view helps track deadlines and dependencies, while the calendar view provides a clear overview of upcoming tasks, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Ready-made templates. Trello provides a variety of templates tailored for different projects and industries. These templates streamline the setup process, enabling teams to start organizing their work quickly. By utilizing pre-designed boards, users can customize them to fit their specific needs without starting from scratch, saving time and ensuring best practices are followed in project management. Automation with Butler. Butler is Trello's built-in automation tool that simplifies repetitive tasks through no-code automation. Users can create rules and buttons to automate actions like moving cards or setting due dates based on triggers. This feature allows teams to focus on critical tasks while Butler manages routine actions, significantly enhancing productivity and workflow efficiency. Seamless integrations. Trello integrates seamlessly with various applications such as Slack, Jira, and Google Drive. These integrations enhance collaboration by allowing users to connect their favorite tools directly within Trello. This connectivity ensures that teams can streamline communication, manage tasks effectively, and maintain a cohesive workflow without switching between multiple platforms. Power-ups for enhanced functionality. Trello's power-ups extend its capabilities by adding features like time tracking, reporting, and advanced integrations. Users can customize their boards with these additional tools to meet specific project requirements. By leveraging power-ups, teams can enhance their project management experience, tailoring Trello to suit diverse workflows and improve overall efficiency. Now, let's talk about some of their drawbacks. Let's start with Trello. Trello primarily offers a Kanban board view, which can restrict users when managing complex projects that require multiple perspectives. While it provides additional views like timeline and calendar, these are only available through paid plans or power-ups. This limitation can hinder project managers from gaining a comprehensive understanding of project progress and dependencies. Trello does not support native task dependencies, making it challenging to visualize which tasks must be completed before others can start. This absence complicates project management for teams handling intricate workflows, as users must manually track relationships between tasks. Consequently, this can lead to confusion and inefficiency in project execution. Trello's reporting features are minimal unless users integrate additional power-ups. Without built-in analytics, teams may struggle to assess project performance effectively. The lack of essential metrics such as cycle time and throughput limits visibility into progress, making it difficult to identify areas for improvement and optimize workflows efficiently. On the other hand, Asana's pricing model can be confusing with multiple tiers and hidden costs that may catch users off guard. While the free plan is accessible, many essential features require upgrading to paid plans, which can lead to unexpected expenses as teams grow. This complexity can deter potential users who seek straightforward pricing options. Although Asana offers various features, its customization capabilities are somewhat limited compared to other project management tools. Users may find it challenging to tailor workflows and dashboards to their specific needs without advanced features available only in higher tier plans. This restriction can hinder teams that require more flexibility in their project management process. Asana's extensive feature set can present a steep learning curve for new users. While the interface is generally intuitive, mastering all functionalities such as task dependencies and advanced reporting may take time. This initial investment in learning can slow down teams eager to implement the tool effectively, potentially impacting productivity during the transition period. Choosing between Trello and Asana ultimately depends on your team's specific needs. Trello excels in simplicity and visual task management, making it ideal for straightforward projects. In contrast, Asana offers advanced features and flexibility for complex workflows. For teams requiring robust project management capabilities, Asana is generally the better option. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.